Welcome to the last video of the installation of the Trulifi 6002. In this video we're going to show you the controller. The controller is needed if you have a large LiFi network with multiple access points that need to work together. The controller makes sure that you can do seamless roaming between those access points. This is the controller, as you can see. And it's connected to the same network as your access points. It doesn't have to be installed in the ceiling, it can be anywhere in the same network. Now, all the features on the controller have to be activated using a license key, and that is what Dennis is going to demonstrate. All right. Dennis, thank you very much. This is how you configure the controller, how you activate the license key for roaming and for SNMP. Thank you very much for watching.